If you keep getting annoying pop-ups and website alerts in Google Chrome from sites you barely remember visiting, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to silence notifications in Chrome from sites you never visit, so you can clean things up, stop the noise, and take back control of your browser. This is a simple fix, but it can make a huge difference if your notifications are cluttered with old websites, random promos, or alerts you never wanted in the first place. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to start with the browser itself because all of these notification settings are built right into Chrome. A lot of people don't realize that websites can still keep permission to send notifications even long after you've stopped using them. That means the alerts can keep showing up on your desktop or in your browser, even if you haven't visited that site in months. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From here, choose Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of its main controls, including privacy, security, and site permissions. After the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy and the Security. This section controls how Chrome handles things like cookies, permissions, and site access. Next, click Site Settings. This is an important area because it lets you control what individual websites are allowed to do in your browser. Now scroll down until you find Notifications and click it. This page shows you all the notification permissions that websites have requested or received. In many cases, websites that you no longer use may still appear under the list of sites allowed to send notifications. And this is where you can finally clean things up. Under Allowed to Send Notifications, take a look at the websites listed there. If you see a site you don't recognize, don't use anymore, or just no longer want to hear from, click the three dots next to that website. Then choose either block or remove. If you choose block, Chrome will stop that site from sending notifications in the future. If you choose remove, you're deleting its current permission, which also prevents it from continuing to bother you. Repeat this for any other websites you want to silence. If you have a long list, take a few moments to review each one carefully, so you only keep notifications from sites you actually trust and use. This is especially useful if you signed up for something once, allowed notifications without thinking, and then forgot all about it. After you've removed or blocked the unwanted sites, the notifications should stop showing up. You've now cleaned up Chrome, so only the websites you want can send alerts. That means less distraction, less clutter, and a much quieter browsing experience overall. If you want to stay more organized, it's a good idea to check this menu every now and then and review which sites still have permission. That way, you can keep your browser tidy and avoid getting surprised by notifications from random websites later on. And that's it. You've now learned how to silence notifications in Chrome from sites you never visit. If this video saved you some frustration, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.